India is evolving, and so are its young minds. Edujoy Bharat is here to empower every step of your journey.
For undergraduates stepping into their first job, for young graduates striving to rise, and for professionals who are preparing for interviews. Success isn't just a destination, it's a journey built with the right skills, guidance, and support.
Edujoy Bharat goes beyond traditional training. It helps you master the skills you need, not just to work, but to thrive. Whether it's learning to manage time, handle stress, communicate effectively, or excel in your personal and professional life, Edujoy Bharat equips you with everything you need to grow and succeed.
Our mission is driven by experts from around the world, providing you with mentorship, life skills training, and real-world advice. With our honorary advisory council of thought leaders, academics, industry professionals, and innovators, we ensure that Edujoy Bharat stays relevant and impactful in this fast-changing world.
At Edujoy Bharat, mentorship isn't just a feature, it's our foundation. With the support of a council of industry experts, you gain access to valuable insights, real-world strategies, and life-changing advice. Edujoy Bharat is not just a platform, it's a movement. A place where potential meets purpose. A space where you can discover who you are and where you want to go.
Your future is waiting. Are you ready to take charge?
Your future is calling. Are you ready to rise?
Your journey starts here. Are you ready to succeed?
Unlock the you that you never knew.
Join Edujoy Bharat today at www.edujoy.in.
Or find our store on Amazon India. Your journey starts now.